Did you know that you can create a restaurant quality egg malai curry at home, that too under 30 minutes? So in this video, let's learn how to prepare creamy and flavorful egg malai curry which is perfect for any occasion. This is a quite simplified recipe where we would be adding hard-boiled eggs to a rich and creamy gravy. So let's start by boiling the eggs. Here I've taken 4 eggs. While the eggs are boiling, let's prepare some paste. So in a blender jar, add about 3 medium-sized onions. Then add few coriander stems. This gives quite a bit of flavor to the dish and I personally love this a lot. I've chopped them and adding it to the blender jar. Then add about 5 peeled garlic cloves. Then 1-inch piece of ginger, 5 green chilies. Now blend all these together to a very fine and smooth paste. The paste is ready. And the eggs are also boiled here. So after the eggs are boiled, transfer them to cold water. This step will actually help to stop the cooking process and will also ease in peeling the eggs. Now peel all the eggs which we have taken. Here I have taken 4 eggs. Then I have placed horizontal slits on 2 sides of the egg as shown in the video. You can put slits as you like. Then in a pan, take about 5 tablespoons of oil. Add the prepared paste. Let it cook on medium flame for about 5 to 6 minutes till the raw smell of the onion and garlic goes away. So it's been about 5 to 6 minutes. Then we'll add few spices. Here I'm adding salt, pepper powder, coriander powder, jeera powder, fennel seeds powder, garam masala powder. Mix everything well and let this cook on medium flame for about 5 to 6 minutes. Then add about 1/3 cup of water, mix everything and let it cook for about 5 minutes on medium heat till you see the oil being released. So it's been about 5 to 6 minutes and here we can see that the oil is being released. Next, add 1 slit green chili. You can add even more chilies according to your spice level, but I think 1 would be enough here. Then add about 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. If you do not have fresh cream at home, you can even add the malai on top of the milk for this recipe. Mix everything well until it is creamy and till all the spices are blended well in the cream. And let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame till the oil is released. Now the oil started to release. Add about 1/4 cup of milk, that is 1 cup plus 1/4 cup of milk. Mix everything well. At this stage, the gravy might seem very watery, but don't worry. Eventually, this mixture will thicken and give us a rich and creamy gravy. Mix everything, let it come to a boil and let it cook for about 10 minutes on medium flame. Eventually, you'll see that the gravy turns thicker and creamier. So it's been around 10 minutes and the gravy started to thicken. Let's add the boiled eggs to this. Pour a little bit of gravy over the boiled eggs. Then give a quick stir and let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Now once you see that all the moisture has evaporated and the gravy has become thick, garnish it with fresh coriander leaves and it's time to turn off the stove and serve this egg malai curry. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out to be. If you like this video, do check the other videos on my channel as well and don't forget to subscribe for more such interesting recipes. Enjoy and subscribe for more.